Evening everyone, Ian from DIY Home Gardening up the allotment. Just going to do a super quick video. So my plan is to dig some of these new potatoes, or second earlies I should say, to go with some dinner. So it's going to be interesting because I've not even had a rummage in the soil to see what's happening. But yeah, as hopefully a few of you will remember, this is my no dig, no earthing up bed, so it will be interesting to see what has happened. Let's have a look. Right, just up the allotment again tonight. We're sorting out what we're having for dinner, and so thought actually it'd be nice to have a few, hopefully a few fresh potatoes to go with it. So that's the plan, is just to start digging a little section and see what there is. Fingers crossed, eh? 25th of June. These are the second earlies. You can kind of see where it changes, which is that hoop there, but the foliage colour is different. They've long finished flowering. So let's see whether we've got a few for tea tonight. Makes sense to pull back this area here just to have a little look. Let's all go at this corner, saves ruining anything else if it's not a lot showing. So well, what I would say is hopefully you remember that this was my no dig, no earthing up beds. So these potatoes are actually planted about a foot down, so it might be easier to actually put a fork in and use a little bit of persuasion just to see what's down there. Right, just got the fork down, put it straight down there so that trying to avoid spearing anything, just literally loosening it up. So now to get down on hands and knees and do a bit of scraping. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Looks like a good size. So now just to be a bit careful and work our way around, I suppose. See what we got. Well, let's get that out of the way. That's the first. Good size. Forage around and see what else there is. Okay, so first plant, that's what we've got. I've got to say, pretty impressive for, or pretty impressive size for that. I don't know, I guess I was hoping for more, but let's face it, I've got plenty more to work through, so let's take out another plant, I suppose. 4 plants lifted, and that's what we got. So some pretty good sizing. I mean, look at the size of that for a second early. So this is a new variety called Twinners, which is pretty much everything resistant and listed as good yielding. And to be fair, I'd say that's about right. You know, we're not talking about loads of small potatoes to give a good yield. We're talking about some big potatoes with a few smaller ones. So actually, what do we got? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 potatoes between 4 plants. It's acceptable, given that it's been very dry. Maybe I'll put a bit more water on the bed and see if that does anything. But as these are second early, what I would say is that you're far better off leaving what's in the ground until you actually want them. You know, if you lift all the potatoes now or in one go, then you'll ruin the taste of them. They're always much nicer straight out the ground and used fresh, rather than well, unlike I should say, a main crop that you can, like those, that you can lift, store and have for another day. Earlies, second earlies, lift and use. That's my tip. So another little video done, just an update really. Just keeps things interesting, but if you like what I'm doing with the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on all the future videos that I'm doing. And yeah, any questions, just send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. But as always, enjoy your garden, enjoy what you're doing, and have fun. Bye for now.